The AI revolution is being led by Mag 7. But it's a have and a have-nots that's playing out. I think stronger getting stronger. Look, I mean, Mag 7 continues to lead tech, but you need the others to continue to lead as well. And I think you have just a massive disruptive theme playing out.
We're definitely at a bit of a transition, if you will, in the whole AI world. You know, we're moving on to another stage. And obviously, the attention focused on DeepSeek recently, coming out of China, kind of shifted things up a bit. But by the same token, you know, there are new players coming in, because in terms of trends, like AI isn't going to go anywhere. It's still going to be this predominant thing this year and for, you know, for the next few years as well.
After dominating in 2024, most of the Magnificent Seven tech stocks, Meta, Amazon, Nvidia, Google, Microsoft, Apple, and Tesla, have underperformed the market recently due to higher capital spending and slowing growth. Meta is the only Magnificent Seven company with double-digit gains in 2025 so far, thanks to a strong earnings report that showed a 21% year-over-year revenue growth.
Meta is a good example, you know, in terms of some of the checking policies, bringing Dana White on the board. It's a different Zuckerberg. I think when you look at Meta, this isn't a company that's been aggressive on AI. This is going to be a renaissance of growth for Meta.
Facebook has been very, very smart in recent years. As you know, you look at the developments that they've done with AI around Instagram, you know, we're looking at Meta AI, you know, there's a lot that Facebook has done to basically ensure that it's still in that world, it's still in that realm. It's obviously it's going to grow. They have already harnessed AI. So one of the companies that I think is going to be very, very interesting to watch this year, and they're noteworthy because they're a member of the Magnificent Seven, it's Tesla. This is a company, you know, they've got Elon Musk there. He's a disruptor. He's working for a disruptor. He's someone who is as polarizing as his boss is. So we're seeing that maybe play out in some of the recent numbers related to Tesla. In January, their sales in Germany were down 60%. In China, which is Tesla's second largest market, sales were down 11% in January. You know, there's the school of thought out there that should the market perceive them as an automaker, or should the market perceive them as an AI company? And it's a valid question to ask.
The Magnificent Seven stocks now represent roughly 35% of the S&P 500, highlighting their dominant influence on the market. However, new players in the AI space are emerging. Companies like Palantir have experienced exponential growth, positioning themselves as potential members of this elite group.
There's names like Palantir, you know, we view the Messi of AI. I'd argue Palantir is one of either the next Oracle, the next Salesforce. The AI revolution, what Karp and Palantir built, is a moat that's unmatched. And the stocks obviously had a massive move, but we still believe that's early days in terms of playing out.
Now there's a feeling that these large language models are becoming a resource, a commodity. How do we handle them as a resource? You know, and this is one of Palantir's big arguments. They say they're in a very good position to actually manage them as a commodity, manage them as a resource.
This January, SoftBank, Oracle, and OpenAI pledged $500 billion to build new AI infrastructure under the Stargate venture. Meanwhile, China's tech giants have developed effective AI models at a fraction of the cost, posing a challenge to leading American AI companies.
When it comes in China, Baba, JD, Tencent, a lot of the others, they're going to continue to sort of expand their moat when it comes to AI. US-China trade tensions, that continues to probably be a big risk in terms of the eyes of investors. I think ultimately it's really a game of high stakes poker.
The Magnificent Seven, I mean, they're called the Magnificent Seven for a reason. You know, their collective market cap has hit incredible levels, historic levels in recent months. So I think they're going to be able to weather whatever storm comes. You know, they've outlasted numerous administrations, they've outlasted numerous political climates. These companies aren't going anywhere.